It's not mental, it's experiential, and it comes from inside us, upward from the light of our being to meet the light of others. That's the mechanism that launches our creative spirit. And making art is one of the things that grounds it. Of course, it takes time to build skill sets and apply them masterfully. Yeah. This is a lifetime pursuit. And if you build up from a good foundation, it will serve you well. What's missing from your practice? Find out more and join me for my next workshop, The Sacred Rose, Embodying the High Feminine through Art. This course is for the aspiring or experienced artist who's ready to take a chance and not only conquer this fluid and versatile, beautiful medium, but also to marry it with the spirit of your being. I'm Leslie Montana. Thanks for joining me. Click the links below to learn more.